Got him.
Got him. You are making headway? We have sailfish on the line.
Are we in idle?
Yes. And I turned it off. And there we go. Nope, I was behind you.
Sorry, you gotta stay on it.
I'm not getting your way.
Got him.
Got him. Got him about good.
What I need.
He needs. Getting your way.
Hey guys, this is Bo.
And this is Lo.
We're just going to do a little quick review of what we did this weekend. We went fishing yesterday, today is Sunday, and we picked up a small little blackfin tuna. We did catch a sailfish, which was pretty awesome, and we're going to have some video of that attached to this, but we did release it. We're going to do some ceviche, and Laura's going to do some tuna towers, and I'm going to sear the tuna, and we're going to put it together.
We're fixing to do the Tuna Towers. It's all the personal taste. I have a little bit of everything. I'm trying something new in these. I've never used tarragon before, and I wasn't sure that anything that smelled like black licorice was going to taste good in a sushi tower, but I did see it on a video, so I wanted to give it a try. Very little. Lime juice and salt and pepper, very good actually. I actually did real sushi rice this time. Sometimes I'm naughty and I do regular rice, which for those of us new to it, you know what, it works.
And Laura's doing seared tuna with hers and raw tuna with mine. And we also made some seared tuna steaks with some raw tuna on the side and some ceviche that we're gonna put on some garlic toast.
Yes.
Which I'm gonna try right now actually.
So I picked up these awesome little things for the Tuna Towers off Amazon. If you do it somewhere else than the plate and you have to move it, it's got the bottom piece, but I'm gonna make them directly onto the plate. So, just want to drop your rice in here, and thank goodness it's me and my husband, because it looks like I'm going to have to grab it with the fingers.
Oh.
This, oh, really? While I'm making it?
Yep.
That's very good. Oh my God, that's very good. So, where are we at? Okay. So you drop your rice in there. This is seasoned with the sushi seasoning, and it really does make a difference. You pick your layers however you want them. We're gonna go ahead. This is my plate.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna do a layer of the seared, and you just sort of, you want to tap it down because you want it to hold its form once you pull it out. Well, all right. Then you just start layering it with whatever you feel like. You don't have to use fish if you're not a fish eater. I'm new to it. I grew up freshwater fishing. I don't really like freshwater fish, but I love saltwater fish. But you can use the imitation crab. You can use cooked shrimp. It's just a matter of taste. But I'm gonna actually do my avocado right on top of this. Like I said, just sort of tap it down, get it in there. Hopefully we pick some good colors here so it'll come out nice and rainbowy for us. We'll see. You can get taller tuna towers, I would guess. I've seen them taller, but this is good for me. We have some cucumber. And I'm actually going to top it off with a little bit of shrimp. All right, let's see here. Got our nice little stamper. Just sort of compresses it and keeps it pretty and helps you lift it off. Ta-da!
So one down.
One down. Oh, we have to make it pretty. This is sriracha and mayo. Well, I guess it's not gonna come out too well, but if you can see it, it is nice and pretty. So, you got it? Woohoo. Okay, so that one is done. And now,
Mine will be with actual raw tuna.
yeah.
So I'm getting a layer of fresh caught tuna, shrimp,
Apparently Parmesan
crab,
cheese.
Parmesan cheese.
All right, and FYI, I'm not a cook. I don't like to cook, but I do like trying new stuff with our catches. I don't know why. But all right.
And voila.
All right.
And there you have it.